I was sent this set of U-bolts for a trailer and asking my opinion on them and make this short video. So here goes. Here's everything you'll get in the box. You get an explanation of all the parts and the measurements. These are a metric 12 bolt. It's a pretty thick bolt, and it's got 2 tie-down plates, and it's useful for these 1 3/4 inch leaf springs. So you're gonna wanna make sure you got the right sizing for your trailer. They're basically gonna go on like it shows you in these photos at the bottom here, with the U-bolt going over the axle for the trailer and then coming down and the bolts coming up. So here's what you're gonna get in the box. You're gonna get 2 sets of these. They're pretty stout. It doesn't feel cheap. It's got that, just that feel to it that the metal's good. They come with lock washers, those metric 12 nuts, and a pretty thick plate here for you to do the install and to come up underneath and bolt them down on. So these are gonna go over the axle like this and go down through the plate, and then you're gonna put your bolts on the bottom and winch them down. So if you got a big trailer like this, you're gonna make sure that the axles are the right size for these types of bolts, U-bolts. You don't wanna get these to be too small, you wanna get them too big, because depending on the diameter of your axle or what you're replacing, you're gonna wanna make sure that that measurement is right so that the axle size fits right over this U-bolt snugly. You don't want any play in there. You don't want these to be too big, and obviously they can't fit if they're too small. So overall, it's a good set. You're gonna get 2 complete, so you can do 2 sides of a given axle on your trailer. So if you got dualies like this, you're gonna need another set of these to be able to tie them down, because on each side, you're gonna use 2 of the U-bolts on each side. So this will do 1 axle, basically. But that's it. That's everything you're gonna get here in the box. It's a pretty good set. It's everything you need. Just make sure you do your measurements, and it's the right one for your trailer. Hey, I hope this video is helpful. Hope this information was useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.